Teachers like to make things seem a little bit more difficult than they really are.
He's like, well, your cheeks are getting red. He's like, I know when you're stressing. He's like, so right now, you are stressing the hell out. He's like, relax.
Yeah.
And he was like, if you wouldn't stress, like, he's like, you're smart. You know what you're talking about. He's like, if you just stop stressing,
Yeah.
it wouldn't be that big of a deal. I'm like, well, I'm not making it a big deal. I'm just saying that you're freaking me out. Maybe service his truck. He was like, oh, nothing's wrong with it. I turn on the check engine light comes on. I'm like, what?
Uh-oh.
I'm like, nothing's wrong with it.
Left here.
I'm like, but yet you have the check engine lights on. You have no coolant.
Oh, jeez.
You don't have any, like, your one tire's low. One of your windows isn't working.
Nothing wrong with it, eh?
And I'm like, so nothing's wrong with this at all? He's like, no, you shouldn't be anything wrong with it. And I'm like, yeah, the mechanic says shouldn't be anything wrong with it. You just don't want to work on your own car.
It's drivable, I guess.
It's drivable until his tire comes off.
Yeah. Or, oh, right turn, sorry. Or without the coolant, I guess that could be a problem.
Well, I mean, he has his windshield washer fluid. He has, like, everything. But when it comes to his coolant, it's, like, bone dry.
Turn right here.
And I'm like, are you serious? I'm like, you better be joking. So I service it, and I'm like, okay. I'm like, here's your issue. He's like, oh, God, it's false. And I'm like, you know it's false? You're not checking anything.
This company here, they change the oil every 16,000 kilometers. With the synthetic oil, like I used to have a Subaru, and that thing could go 10,000 kilometers before an oil change, and I thought that was pretty high. Like a long period of time for oil changes. I would normally change it every maybe about 6,000 to 8,000 kilometers, just to be on the safe side. But these cars here, the Toyotas, man, 16,000, that's really, really high. But I guess because we're on the road so much, we'll turn left here on Montrose. We'd be doing oil changes all the time if we didn't wait till 16,000. Seems to work out though.
Yeah.